Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck Lee with 7 Day Dental. Today I want to discuss our new improved 7 Day Dental Whitening Kit. Whereas before our old Whitening Kit, what we had to do was buy batteries and change it out. Now the new kit has an internal battery where you can use a charger to charge it. So you don't need to go buy a battery. The cool thing about this kit is literally there's zero sensitivity. We have been promoting and selling this kit for the last 3 years, and we have sold at least 400 or 500 kits, and yet we have never had one patient come back and say, you know what, I want my money back because it's sensitive. So let me just go over how to use it. You need to, when you buy it, you open it up. Once you open it up, you will see that there's 4 syringes. The gadget, the vibrating gadget, has a light and also a mouthpiece. What you want to do is you want to put the mouthpiece onto this gadget, and once you have it on, you need to load the syringe. You break off the tip, and in the instruction, it tells you to load onto the tray, the mouthpiece. But what I found is more successful is just load it onto the front side of the teeth, on teeth that you will see when you smile. So the best thing is go to the mirror, smile, and see which teeth show. The teeth that show that you put the gel on the teeth, you can use a cotton swab to even out the gel amount. Then you want to just, once you put it on your teeth, you turn on the light. You want to bite into it so that the edge of the front teeth touches the edge of the mouthpiece. Because the mouthpiece have rugged and edges, and it vibrates, so this light gadget is actually doing 3 things. 1, the light activates the gel, the chemicals in the gel to whiten the teeth. Also the vibrating, if you can imagine, it's scrubbing the gel onto your teeth, so you're getting a better effect of whitening. And what we recommend is 20 minutes a day. However, this light will turn off after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the light will go off automatically, and all you have to do is push on it again. Now, for patients, I recommend patients start with 20 minutes for like 3 or 4 days. Now, if you want to have faster results, you can do 40 minutes, which means you're going to click on this on and off button at least 4 times, because remember, 10 minutes it goes off. Another 10 minutes, 10 minutes, so 4 times it'll be 40 minutes. And usually with 40 minutes, you're gonna get great results, even after 1 week or even 2 weeks. So I recommend all of our patients to use this kit because it's not too expensive and it works just as good as any other kit out there in the market. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy having your 7 Day Dental smile.